10 Food that burn belly fat fast. Looking to lose stubborn belly fat without starving yourself or following extreme diets? The truth is, no single food will magically melt fat away, but when you consistently include the right foods in your meals, your body becomes more efficient at burning fat, controlling hunger, and maintaining healthy energy levels. In this video, we'll go through 10 powerful foods that science shows can boost your metabolism, balance hormones, and support long-term fat loss. And don't just stick around for the list. I'll also explain how to use each food in your daily routine so you can see results faster. Let's get started. 1. Eggs. First up, eggs. Often called nature's multivitamin, eggs are loaded with protein, vitamins, and minerals. The protein in eggs is especially powerful. High-protein foods increase what's known as the thermic effect of food. This is the energy your body uses to digest, absorb, and process nutrients. Protein has the highest thermic effect, burning 20 to 30% of its calories just during digestion, compared to carbs at 5 to 10% and fats at only 0 to 3%. Eggs are also rich in choline, a nutrient that helps with fat metabolism in the liver. Eating 2 boiled eggs for breakfast can keep you full for hours, reduce cravings, and set your metabolism in motion early in the day. How to use it daily. Enjoy eggs boiled, scrambled, or in an omelet with vegetables. If you're worried about cholesterol, studies show that moderate egg intake, 1 to 2 a day, is safe for most people. 2. Avocado. Next, avocado. Avocados are packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that help regulate blood sugar and lower bad cholesterol. But when it comes to fat loss, their biggest superpower is appetite control. The fiber and healthy fats in avocado slow digestion and send strong satiety signals to your brain. Research from the Journal of Nutrition found that people who added half an avocado to their lunch reported 40% reduced hunger for hours afterward. How to use it daily. Spread avocado on whole grain toast, add it to a salad, or blend it into a smoothie. Even a few slices with eggs at breakfast can help you stay full and avoid snacking on sugary foods later. 3. Salmon. Salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These fats reduce inflammation, and when your body is inflamed, it tends to hold on to fat more easily. Omega-3s also improve insulin sensitivity, helping your cells use energy efficiently instead of storing it as fat. Protein is another benefit of salmon. Each serving gives you around 20 grams. That combination of protein and healthy fats is perfect for stabilizing blood sugar and curbing late-night cravings. How to use it daily. Aim for 2 servings per week. Grill it, bake it, or pan-sear it with vegetables. If salmon feels too expensive, other fatty fish like sardines and mackerel have similar benefits. 4. Green tea. Green tea isn't just a soothing drink. It's also loaded with antioxidants called catechins. One in particular, EGCG, has been shown to increase fat oxidation. Pair that with a small amount of caffeine, and you get a natural metabolic boost. A meta-analysis of 11 studies concluded that people who drank green tea burned an extra 70 to 80 calories per day. It might not sound like much, but over time it adds up to several pounds of fat loss. How to use it daily. Drink 2 to 3 cups throughout the day, preferably before meals. You can have it hot, iced, or even in powdered form as matcha. Avoid sugary bottled green teas, as added sugar cancels the benefits. 5. Chili peppers. Chili peppers owe their heat to a compound called capsaicin. Capsaicin temporarily increases body temperature, which in turn boosts metabolism and fat burning. Studies suggest capsaicin can increase calorie burn by 50 to 100 calories per day when used regularly. But chili peppers don't just rev up metabolism, they also reduce appetite. Many people find spicy foods make them feel satisfied with smaller portions. How to use it daily. Add fresh chili to stir-fries, sprinkle chili flakes on eggs, or use hot sauce with lean proteins. Even mild peppers, eaten consistently, can support fat loss. 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a fat-burning powerhouse for 2 reasons: protein and probiotics. The protein keeps you satisfied and fuels muscle repair, while the probiotics support gut health. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to better metabolism, improved digestion, and reduced fat storage. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid excess sugar. You can sweeten it naturally with berries or a drizzle of honey. How to use it daily. Enjoy a bowl with fruit and nuts for breakfast or as a snack. It also makes a great high-protein base for smoothies and dips. 7 nuts. A handful of nuts like almonds, walnuts, or pistachios provides protein, healthy fats, and fiber all in one bite. Despite being calorie-dense, nuts are associated with lower body fat levels. This is because they are highly satiating, and people tend to naturally compensate by eating fewer calories later in the day. How to use it daily. Keep a small portion, about a closed handful, as a snack. Add them to salads, oats, or yogurt. Just watch portions because it's easy to overeat. 8 oats are a fantastic source of soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan. This type of fiber slows digestion, reduces hunger hormones, and stabilizes blood sugar. By preventing spikes and crashes, oats keep you energized and less likely to crave junk food. They're also versatile and budget-friendly. How to use it daily. Make overnight oats, oatmeal with fruit, or oat pancakes. Choose whole oats instead of instant packets with added sugar. 9. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which may help regulate blood sugar and improve satiety. Studies have shown that consuming vinegar with meals can reduce blood sugar spikes and increase feelings of fullness. How to use it daily. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water before a meal. Avoid drinking it straight, as it can damage tooth enamel. 10. Dark chocolate. And yes, dark chocolate, in moderation, can actually help with fat loss. It's rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, which reduce stress hormones like cortisol. High cortisol levels are linked to belly fat storage. Dark chocolate also curbs sweet cravings. Instead of eating a sugary dessert, a small piece of 70% or higher cocoa chocolate can satisfy your sweet tooth and keep you on track. How to use it daily. Enjoy 1 or 2 small squares as an afternoon treat. Pair it with nuts for a balanced snack. So there you have it. 10 delicious science-backed foods that can support belly fat loss and boost your metabolism. Remember, no single food will do the work alone, but when you combine them with a balanced diet and active lifestyle, the results can be transformative. Start by picking 2 or 3 foods from this list and adding them to your meals this week. Over time, these small changes add up to big results. Which of these foods is your favorite, or which one will you try first? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fit Fuel Daily for more science-backed fitness and nutrition tips.